Niko chinga kiche kembere kia gavana COG asiri tukulia rabanyarire kubole serikali na kukonye amatuko kiandoka wane kibuna ngobata kwa richibesa kuje serikali chi county ya nemono iliko nyara kubaka na bakuli mirimo au batara kanwa seka kimiti nyebero mutinyo gatano no mutinyo gatano narimo chinga kiche ni gavana COG abo inse iyomo nyakiro bobwe kiombekyo Anne Waiguru anyarire kubolia omwaziri wabachanu Susan Nakumincha wane kibuna batara chokara monchurire na kutuguterara mangana NHIF liganyarire kubolia omwaziri wabachanu kwane kibuna nko nyarare wakana chibese cheni cha EFA echibono chire chi bilioni sana isatogo chesinyagetari chiri cya gutumekani cha EFA amanya gukora maunchuriyo ochia sensemeria ya Shiva unatokumanyigwa no muri Kaito Dorcas Kemuma
Chinga kiumwaka bwechibesa 2023-2024 gochikwara asegeka kya matuko kyandare motwe nigetureti y'abagavana yarutire kuratego cya serikali nene ase baboriye serikali tebesa kona chabe sende yonsi ase finance bill y'umwaka 2024-2025.
It's important that the National Treasury is guided by the provisions of Section 5(1) of the Division of Revenue Act 2024, which stipulates that whenever there is a shortfall in the revenue raised nationally, the shortfall shall be borne by the national government and not by counties. We therefore wish to state unequivocally that the Council rejects this proposal in totality and demand that the National Treasury retains the county equitable share as enumerated in the Division of Revenue Act 2024 after the mediated process.
Wana chinga kibakolege karone wizara yobachenu bakura uno munyakiro gobo Anne Waiguru nige serikali ebwate amadeni yechi county isaine chibesa chibilioni 54 echibono baganetie serikali akane ase obwangomano.
The council calls for immediate release of equitable share of revenue owed to county governments for the months of May and June 2024 amounting to 63.6 billion. This is to ensure uninterrupted service delivery at the county level. As it is, many counties are struggling to pay salaries because we only received the allocation for April this week, and we are now asking that the allocation for May and for June.
Mentana yo munyakiro gobe committee yobachanu mutaminchoki oyole bayigo magavana bwe county yatanakaniti nigate babunani gabokalari bwe county bwabaire bakolemara asengencho yokoborwa bwe chibesa kolwa serikali nene goika ase chi county.
And given the fact that recently we were on the spot from the ministry as having not paid debt for KEMSA, it will not be possible to settle those debts for KEMSA unless we get our full disbursement, because we have to make a hard choice between paying debt for KEMSA and paying salaries for the workers who are working in those hospitals. So it is critical for us to get the full disbursement of up to June for us to be able to pay monies that are owed to KEMSA and other suppliers.
Nigo bono bayeganire serikali gwakana amadeni yonsi ebwate ye NHIF ochase chinya gitali chonsi imeye chi county nyuma batarachaka omoroberi omoya o Social Health Insurance Fund oyoboigo omanyekaine Shiv.
The issue of the transition from NHIF to SHA definitely is welcome, but the counties which operate public facilities are disadvantaged in terms of this, or in terms of payment, or the monies that are owed to those public facilities by NHIF. Most of the payments went to the private sector, and most of the facilities in the public sector have not been paid. We urge the facilities that have not been paid for their debts to be settled by NHIF, and of course they need for them to be remunerated or given monies by the national government for them to do that. That is our ask. That is the only way we will transition to shift.
Dorcas Kemuma, Ndizi TV.